St. Mary's Malankara High School. Standard first, subject English grammar. I, Mrs. Lata Shinde. Children, today we will learn about subject English grammar. And our topic is have and has. Children, before we could start our today's topic, let me brief you about the last topic what we have learned, that is singular and plural. Now children, in the previous topic we have learned about the singular nouns and plural nouns. I have told you about if there is a thing which is only one, then we say it is a singular thing. And when there are many things which are more than one person, place, animal or thing, then we say that are plural things or plural nouns. So as you can see in this picture also, you can see a picture of one cat, and if there are two, then we can write cats. Then if there is only one butterfly, we will write butterfly. But if there are many, more than one, then we will write butterflies. So butterfly is a singular form and butterflies is a plural form. You can see the third image. Box. The box is only one. So we have written only a box. And where there are two boxes, we have written boxes. So boxes is the plural noun and box is a singular noun. Let us next. Here also you all can see there are different types of pictures. First picture is of orchid. This orchid plural form is orchids. Pot plural form is pots. Cat plural form is cats. Boat plural form is boats. River plural form is rivers. Girl plural form is girls. Pencil plural form is pencils. Ribbon ribbons. Wallet wallets. Handbag handbags. So children, now let us start this topic, that is have and has. You can see the picture. What can you see in this picture? You can see a boy and a girl. A boy name is Raj and girl name is Riya. What can you see? Can you think and tell me where they are? Yes, they are on the beach. Riya and Raj are at the beach. What do you think they are doing? Yes, they are playing. Raj and Riya are playing at the beach. Now, children, you all can see they are having so many things around them. Raj has a swim cue. Riya has a flag. There are other things also like shell, sand buckets, snail, boat, sand castle. Yes or no? These all things you can see around on the beach. Yes or no? Then all these things are around of them. So you can see Riya is making a sand castle and Raj is talking to Riya. So Riya has the flag in hand and Raj has a swim tube. Okay. Now let's see the next. Now what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a girl and she is holding a cat. So Ritu says, I have a cat. So Ritu is using have to tell you that she has a cat. So have is used with I. Now children, when you are also having some things, that time you also use have. Yes or no? You say, I have a pencil. I have a book. I have my bag. So like this way, when you are using I, you are using have. Okay. Now let us see next. I have a new television. You can see the girl has a new television. Now here you can see two boys. Okay. One name is Aman and one name is Mahesh. So Aman is telling that he has a younger brother. So he is saying, I have a younger brother. So children, when we are talking to someone, we can use have to tell that I have a younger. Now let's see here. What can you see in this picture? Yes, there are two boys talking to each other. And one boy has a puppy, a baby you can say. Yes or no? So they are having a dog or a puppy. So he is telling that you have a dog and you is used with have. Have is used with you. So when we are using, we should be careful. We have to use have with you. Now, what can you see in this picture? There are two boys. Yes, they are reading some books. There is, what else is there? You can see. Yes, there is a tree. Then there are small other trees also. And one house. So, the boy is saying, we have a big house to another boy. So, have is also used for more than one person. Now, these two boys, there are two boys. So, that's why we have used we. So, they are saying we. So, we are using have. We have a big house because we are using for more than one person. Okay. Now what can you see here? Yes, you can see there are mice. Now children, you know, all of you, that if there is only one, we say a mouse. But here are four. So we will say mice. Now children, you all know that mice have sharp teeth. Yes or no? You can see mice have sharp teeth. Now here mice is a plural form of noun. That's why we have used have. Okay. So have is used for more than one animal. Now let us see here. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see there are houses, trees, mountains and sun. Now sun is only one, but rest all things are many. Okay. So we will say village have many small houses. As you all can see in this picture, there are many houses. Yes or no? So have is used for more than one place. Okay. Now look at this picture carefully and tell me, what can you see? Yes, you can see there is a road and the cars are there on the road. But cars have 4 wheels. As you all know, the cars have 4 wheels. So have is used for more than one object. Here more wheels, 4 wheels are more wheels. So have is used. Now let us see this picture. You can see an elephant and a baby elephant and one boy and one girl. Yes or no? So if we say elephants have big ears. Now here elephants are plural form because there are 2 elephants. So we will use have. Have is used for more than one person, animal, object. Okay. So we come to the conclusion. The word have is used after a noun or pronoun which is in plural form. Okay. Examples. First one, we have a holiday on Sunday. They have not ate their food. Third one, I have a new dress. And fourth one, you have a beautiful house. Now children, you all can see we, they, I, you. These pronouns, these are all pronouns and we are using have. Okay. See the next one. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a boy with a car. So we can say he has a toy car. You can see in his hand there is a red color car. So we will say he has a toy car. So we use has with he, she and it. Okay. Now let us see. What can you see in this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a boy who is sitting in his car. So, Rohit has a big car. Now here, Rohit is a name of a boy and he is only one. So that's why we have used has. has is used for one person. Now, you can see a clock. A clock has 3 hands. Now, you all can see in your house also, if the clock is there, you can see there are 3 hands for the clock. So, a clock has 3 hands. Okay. So, has is used for one object. Now, here clock is only one object. So, that's why we have used has. Now, see, in this picture you can see there are huge buildings, cars and road. Yes or no? So, Mumbai has many huge buildings. Now, here you can see a name of a city, Mumbai, is mentioned and it is only one. So, that's why we will use has. So, has is used with the name of one place. Now, you all know Mumbai is only one. So, that's why we have to use has. What can you see in this picture? Ganesh has a nice house. Now, children, has is used with one person, animal, object, etc. Now, here Ganesh is only one person. So, has is used. The word has is used after a noun or pronoun which is in singular form. Examples. First one, she has taken my book. He has not finished his homework. It has a huge shadow. Now children, you all can see he, she and it. With this pronoun, we have to use has. So, I, you, we have to use have. He, she, it, we will use has. And the pronoun we and they, we will use have. Children, I hope so you all have understood the use of have and has. So, the verbs have, has show that something belongs to someone or something. Okay. Now, let us see your homework. Question, fill in the blanks with have, has. You have to write the correct word in the blank. First one, I dash many friends. Second one, we dash big house. Third one, a rabbit dash long ears. Fourth one, parrot dash red beak. And last one, Amit dash a new car. Now next question is, underline have and has from the following sentences. Now children, here you have to read the sentences and underline where you will see have and has in the sentence. Okay. First one, the boy has short hair. Second one, girls have long hair. Third one, a car have 4 wheels. Next one, he has a sister. It has a long tail. Thank you children. I hope so you all have understood the use of have and has.